Hey, you. Do you want to go from this?
Man. What the fuck, man?
To this?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
No, you're not. You did record it. Oh my god. Like all this stuff.
Damn. Hey, you feel me? Who it is? JOMAN right now. I'm back with another video. And today we finna cut this shit, you feel me? We finna down. Let me show y'all for real. Oh my, what the fuck? Nigga, my headline got BDB, bro. My headline got more. Hey, though, you feel me? Tapped into the video, you wanna know how to cut a temp fade. You feel me? I'm gonna show you how to cut the real deal ATL temp fade. JOMAN runs way. This not no 360 Jeezy. This not no Vic blend. This not none of that. None of that. You feel me? I'm about to show you how to get right, nigga. You need a fur cut for back to school. You don't got no cheese. You broke. About to show you how to get right, you feel me? How to Hey, look though, you feel me? I am JOMAN Ranch, if y'all didn't know. I thank y'all for tapping on this video. I welcome y'all to my channel. You feel me? I do vlog, lifestyle, how I do everything. Everything you think of, nigga, I do this. Damn, that shit coming. Boom, no time to bullshit. We gotta get straight to it. We need materials. You can't cut no hair without no materials. The first material you're gonna need, some lotion. Nigga, you ashy as hell, nigga. We both ashy, you feel me? Get some lotion on your body, lotion in your soul, you feel me? First, we gonna need clippers, okay? I got the, these some wall clippers, you feel me? Why I know about these? These are second generation of some clippers. I used to use the old ones. But yeah, you feel me? This is what we gonna be fading with. Second, you gonna need an outlining tool. So I got the Andy's T outliners too, you feel me? Magnetic, goddamn clip, whatever we do. Get you right. This was going line you up for real, for real, for the JOMAN way. To make that line extra smooth, you gonna need a razor, you feel me? We use razor blades around them more, you feel me? You got a razor blade, you need a razor, dumb ass nigga, little chin ass nigga, stank boy, lily pass, man, nigga. What though? We got other stuff, we got scissors, we got a little comb, we don't really need it, but you do need a brush though. Bro, my headline doing backflips, bro. You gonna need a mirror, you feel me? Look at you, boy, you about ugly as hell. Now though, you gonna need a mirror, you feel me? You gotta look at yourself. This double-sided, by the way, they more flip. Oh yeah, of course at the end you gonna need some alcohol, goddamn. You don't wanna be bumped up and shit, dumb man, nigga. Last but not least, you gonna need some rubber bands. Well, I got dreads, so I'm gonna need some rubber bands for these bullshit ass worms, you feel me? Boom! Get some rubber bands. If y'all wondering where I've been at, I'm getting some chick. Been on JOMAN visuals, you feel me? I'm getting right. My other page is right here actually, or it's right here, some. But go mess with that, you feel me? For any footage just not regarding me. Hey, if you need any footage done, music videos, anything you can think of, we could work, you feel me? Just tap in with me. Step one though, rubber band your shit up. Hey, y'all tell me the back looks great. That be cute, ain't gonna lie. Boom, now that you rubber band up, you gonna wanna brush your shit down. You feel me? You wanna brush thoroughly. Get everything through, get all them little hairs laid down. Boom, to start, you gonna need your fading clipper, you feel me? Damn. Fading clipper, and we gonna put a number 1.5 guard on it. Oh yeah, I forgot to put this in, but you will need some guards. I got a 1, a 2, a 1.5. That's it. 1.5 guard, put it on the lever open. It ain't even plugged in. Hey, by the end of this video, I'm gonna be a change man. Oh, plus I'm doing mustache shit, whatever. Y'all know I got like a full ass beard. Like my shit, like I be locking my shit up too, but I'm gonna cut that off. Just knock it down, you feel me? Make everything easier. Really, once you cut your hair enough, you're gonna have a feel for your shit anyway. You gonna know where your shit at. I'm cutting my hair since 7th grade. Shit, my boy, my bald fade used to be so deviant, boy. I'm talking about bald, nigga. I mean bald. It wasn't nothing but But bald in the goddamn little ass hot top, that shit was bad. I might have a picture. Bad. I'm gonna take my ball clippers and I'm gonna make a first guideline. So I'm gonna cut right here, or on the end of the C cup, whatever it's called. I'm gonna take it slow and go up. Ooh, these clips are buttery smooth. Hold on. And these T outliners too. Butter smooth. What? Shitty me. Butter what? You feel me? Should I go up a little high? I'm asking y'all, you feel me? This ain't even my cut for real. This just my head. This y'all cut. Okay, smooth. You gonna do that on both sides. I'm doing it on the other side. I'm not gonna show it, but once I do that, you just go straight down, goddamn skirt. Get all that doo-doo gone. You wanna see that little I just left? You see that right now? That doo-doo I'm talking about, don't leave no doo-doo. Now you gotta get your regular clippers, lever open, no guard on that bead. No guard on that bead. And then go up 1/2 inch, 1 inch, whatever you wanna do. I'm showing y'all how much I go up. Let's see what he needs 10 minutes. Since you're doing the temp fade, you're gonna want to curve it a little bit. Same thing on the other side. After that, gonna take your lever, close, you feel me? You just about to go up to where you just got them, when you just did that open lever shit. They're gonna create a little fade effect in that bit, if you see what I'm saying. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Yeah! Hey though, I be doing all type of temp fade. I be doing low temp, high temp, mid temp, no temp, but sometimes they be gone. Just poof! And it just be dreads on my head, it just be dreads on my head. I go to the shop and I get some bread, it just be dreads on my head. On top. Perky said, if I'm playing. Take your #1 guard, and you're gonna go up all the lever all the way open. You're gonna go up all the way, not all the way to the top, almost all the way to the top. The closer you get to the top, you're gonna flick out your fan. Like this. Don't mind the part that my the rubber band make. Same thing on the other side, you feel me? This is the rough draft anyway, we're gonna go back. Like I said, my hair is 2 different textures on both sides. That goes for a lot of people too. Now barbers be gripping your head and shit, I be gripping my own head, nigga. So we looking like so far. Doo-doo, of course. Right here, I'm about to go back in right now. I know we gonna get the fade in this one, what we just did. So we're gonna go back to that first, you feel me? First little chop chop, we're gonna go with our lever fully closed on 1 and go up about 1/2 inch. You don't go up for real, for real. Now you're gonna put that bit halfway. You're just gonna go up a little bit more from where you went up from. You bad. You bad. Since we about to get a bit aggressive with it, I'm just go ahead and knock down my hairline. Since I already have this set how I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the back and just level it down to this level. I use my finger as a guide. I just put it up here and I cut below. So I'm not getting close to none of my dreads and not fucking up what I don't want to fuck up. Now I'm about to go in, so I'm basically kind of about to repeat everything that I did from step 1. Not necessarily, but yeah. Take my half and get to working. Knock out any other Well, this gonna help it like fade for real and actually blend. That freaking 0 level from that 1. So I'm just gonna go on my lever open and just work. So over here, this shit, I'm just letting this grow. This gonna grow back and get twisted back my next retwist. So this is all y'all niggas should be worried about. Look like Bud Winnie. This is all y'all should be worried about. I'm trying to work the other side. I don't know what it's talking about. It's crazy. I've been having problems with this side since I was a young nigga. Look at my what the. So this is the rough draft for the top side. Now it's time to work the back. We're gonna be doing a lot of mirror work. I really don't give a fuck about my back, so I don't even be doing shit to it, but we're doing something ish today. Back. By back, I mean back, but by back, I mean that I'm back. But look though, I'm done with the back. Done with the back. Like I said, I don't give a fuck about the back of my head. Here's how it's looking. Right here, I'm gonna get this hair twisted back into these dreads because they look thinner. So I'm gonna just let that flow. I don't even know why I look like this shit with my eyes closed like these. But like I said, I don't give a fuck about the back of my head. But you feel me? We about to get right on these. Look, we about to do a rough draft of the lineup, you feel me? I do rough drafts of everything. I'm gonna be looking this way because it's hard to look this way because it's a ring light behind y'all. That's gonna make me blind. I don't want to be blind. Look though, you feel me? I'm gonna start right here. Get a little taste how I'm gonna equal it out. Perfect. What we gonna do here is put these rubber bands straight back. When you done with this, boy, you gonna look like you had freeforms, by the way. Well, y'all know if y'all do y'all own shit and tie it back. But the cut with no retwist look amazing anyway. Make sure you're consistently brushing while doing this. No cap. Think I need to use y'all. We slowly getting in there. We looking a little cricket, but ain't nothing too bad, you feel me? You feel me? I look like Florida. Yeah, fam, I got a motherfucker. I look, oh. About to go on with the razor tool since you already did the road drive. You don't want to keep playing with it because you just gonna push your shit back more and more. You don't want to do that. Why this one go first try? Yeah, I just was supposed to use that one to solve it, man. You got a real deal brush. But first what you gonna need some water, okay? Put the water on your headline. Gonna start, put it a bit like this. Hold it at an angle to your comfort and you go in. I'm gonna do a few right here, but really I'm gonna look in the mirror and do it. You just go in and you go down. You might ain't finna go in without looking in the mirror, man. I'm just put some bleach in my shit to grow it back anyways, it don't matter. Now it's time to get to the corner. Once you get to the corner parts, yo, you wanna go in. For all them folks who be beating their meat with their right hand and shit, I need to start using y'all left hand so y'all can get accurate with y'all shit. You can't be doing this with one hand, goddamn. You need both of them hoes, you feel me? Don't mind what I just said. So this corner getting me, so I'm just about to use the clippers for a little bit. Nine times out of 10 it's not straight, but that side and that big, you feel me? Now I'm about to go this side. I don't even want to mess with this side so too much cause it went up right here a little bit. But here's what I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna work exactly on the line. I'm gonna work like this would be perfectly straight, like perfectly perfect. You could give yourself a little invisible quote unquote line. Like I won't go up right here. Then I'm kinda overcut. Okay, I did enough damage to this left side. My right side straight, my left side, I did too much damage to it. I'm not gonna mess with it. Actually, I don't think I did. Nah, I didn't. I could get a little corner out of the bed. Alright, I ain't messing with it no more. You feel me? What I'm gonna do is touch up that mustache. I honestly don't know how to line up a mustache. Do my well, I think I'm done for now, I ain't even gonna lie. Here's the cut though, you feel me? We got this side, the back. Remember, I don't give a fuck about the back. Back, you feel me? This is a beauty mark, kinda look like his hair there. With the whoop, I'm letting this, that's growing in, that's going into new dreads, you feel me? Hey, let me know if you need a cut. Let me know if I should be a barber. Hello. What's Siani?
You're in Josiah, right?
What's Siani?
She's right here on the corner, but I have a few questions to ask you because me and her was having a debate.
Alright, YouTube, you feel me? I tried to get a reaction, but I got questioned by somebody, they mama and they cousin, goddamn, talking about this and that, woo. But you feel me? That was the cut, you feel me? It look like I got a middle part right now. I don't, not at all. Next video, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna be dyeing my hair real soon, you feel me? I need my shit to get back to normal, but yeah, hold on. It's your boy, JOMAN, motherfucking Rants. And we motherfucking out.